Hi friends, welcome back to Pavni Talks. Today's video is my vlog, the weekend trip after almost more than 6 months of staying home. And I would call it the real relief trip. The Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir, located around 50 kilometers from Hyderabad, offers a breathtaking view and is also a perfect location to picnic with your family this weekend. The fear of the deadly coronavirus is forcing people to stay indoors. With theatres, restaurants, and parks no more a preferred option, outdoor destinations close to Hyderabad are fastly becoming the perfect choice for a weekend getaway. For all those looking for a quick weekend getaway, the Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir is a new favorite. The Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir is an ideal destination to head to for your weekend. It is just a few kilometers away from the Vargal Saraswati Temple's arch, which is located on the main road. The reservoir's location is not too far away from the city, and this makes it a great choice for biker groups who are constantly on the lookout for new destinations. From the Shamirpet Lake, one will only have to travel an additional 30 kilometers on the Karimnagar highway to reach the reservoir. This reservoir was built as part of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme and was inaugurated in the last week of May by Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir is another milestone in the multi-stage Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme. This reservoir was constructed as a part of the Telangana government's efforts to make Godavari a perennial river. The Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir receives water from the Markuk Surge Pool, which in turn receives water from Akkaram Pump House. This place doesn't have any cafes or shops as yet, and this is a blessing in disguise because it means it hasn't become like one of the commercial tourist destinations as yet. And finally, this is the main entrance of the Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir, and due to few reasons and restrictions, they have diverted the road from another way. And meanwhile, on the road, look what am I doing here? We were really lucky enough to see few sellers selling corn and few vegetables and fruits from the villages. And look, here I am to pick my guavas from the trees. How will nature lovers like us miss the chance to self-pick and pluck fruits from trees? So here we are in search of ripe guavas on the trees. Let's go! I always loved to grow my food on my own, which was an age-old habit made by my grandfather and my father. And I definitely enjoy growing and harvesting and later eating them fresh. Finally, we were lucky enough to have a lot of guavas on the tree for ourselves. Isn't it really exciting to eat those yummy and fresh guavas from the tree? So after harvesting few fruits, we are back to the road trip. This is the village route that we had to travel an additional of almost 3 to 4 kilometers to reach the reservoir. People are allowed to move around the periphery of the circular bund. Cars and two-wheelers are allowed all the way to the bund, and the drive around the periphery of the reservoir is simply beautiful. On the other side of the bund, one can find lush greenery as a part of the horticulture and agriculture efforts at the location. There are rows of poly houses housing crops grown in controlled conditions while protecting them from birds and pests. The reservoir is spotlessly clean and is a serene destination with lush green farms on the lower side and water on the other, and this makes it a picturesque location. Initially, the reservoir had very few people visiting, but now, with people sharing photos and details with friends and family, a lot more people are choosing to head there, especially on weekends. 15.8 km long Kondapochamma Sagar has a capacity of 15 TMC. And this project was built at a cost of approximately 1668 crores and has a water spread area of 17.027 square kilometers. Its full reservoir level is 618 meters and is envisaged to provide irrigation to more than 2 lakh acres of Ayacuts through 13 canals. Isn't this road trip a real relaxation for you this weekend? Then why delay? Just have a look and enjoy. So here is how we ended our road trip with these lovely desi corn. Hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, give a thumbs up and cheer me up. If you would love to share your experience and ask any questions, do write in the comment section below. And don't forget to share my video to your family and friends. That would help many who would love to visit this place. And if you're watching my channel for the first time and like my content, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.